Let's start off by preparing the red sauce for the pasta. Add some water into a vessel, followed by a red chilli or two. 2 tomatoes, slit them and remove their eye. Close the lid and let it boil for 10 minutes, then drain off, peel the skin of the tomatoes and blend it to a smooth paste. Keep it aside. While the tomatoes cool, you can boil the pasta. Add around 3 cups of water into a vessel, half teaspoon salt and 100 grams of pasta. I have used penne pasta, you can use anything. Do not forget to add in a tablespoon of oil into this. This is to ensure that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. Close the lid and let the pasta cook for 7 to 10 minutes on high heat. Then remove the lid and check if the pasta is cooked. Then drain the pasta and keep it aside. Next, pour 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Into the heated oil, add 3 to 4 garlic cloves that are minced. Saute this for around 10 to 20 seconds before adding in an onion that is finely chopped. Saute this till the onions turn slightly golden brown in color. Now pour in the blended tomato puree. Give it all a good mix. Let it boil. Then add half a teaspoon of salt, pepper powder and a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix all of it well. And after a while add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Let this cook for 2 minutes. Then add the boiled pasta. Separate the pasta that is stuck to each other and gently mix it with the red sauce. Combine well and cook for another minute. Finally, add some cheese into it to give it a nice cheesy flavor. This is optional. Mix it one final time and then switch off the heat. Transfer to a plate and enjoy your lip-smacking tangy red sauce pasta.